In the Laravel application, how to increase your page, how to add a new page or delete update our page. So you can easily handle this. So this is the Laravel application. Check, stop this and put here in the application. You check the root file folder. Here is a web file. Here is, you can check, this is our home page and this is our contact page. You can update it about then contact, then put it about, put here about, then block, this is block. So this is simple. Also added here services, so I put it here, services. So now I am adding several pages about, block, services, contact. So I am now check the view directly. We put here view, so go to the view. This is resource, this is the views, this is the, in these views here need to create, here need to create block, BLOC block, then services about, so this is the message. So now about p dot, this is about, this is block, and this is contact, and this is home, and this is services p dot services. So now run the application, and this is our home page, and click the services. The services page is open. So here you need to put HTML code, and about, this is the about, and block, this is the block, and this is the contact page. So simply you can make these pages from the edit, or actually I will build on the root folder. So you can need to hit the root file. This root is the website application root. You can add it as a new root, or you can also edit it. Suppose I am deleting the new, suppose I am deleting contact page. When you deleted this and hit the URL, it's portal not found. So when you put here, now again update here. So within this work, so this is the one of the way to make your Laravel increase your pages, edit your new pages.